take the packet of the plastic, reading the directions on the back of the package. Orville Redenbacher, you're a savage.
So let's get cracking. Trying to make microwave.
I put the packet on the glass,
What glass?
the little glass dish in the microwave.
Got it.
I close the door.
Which door?
The door to the microwave. What is wrong with you? You follow all the rules when you're a studious guy.
Step one.
Insert the packet, set the power to high. Cook for 1.5 minutes to 2.5 minutes.
Kind of a wide range. Trying to make microwave popcorn in a microwave. I am on that wave. I am on that wave. Trying to make microwave popcorn.
The popcorn's done. I open up the door, I take it out.